In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create high-quality book covers on Canva. First, open Canva and search for book cover. This instantly gives you the right canvas size for standard covers, so you are not guessing dimensions or resizing later. Starting with the correct format helps your design look sharp and professional from the beginning. Next, choose a strong template that matches your book's genre. Templates are a great foundation, but think of them as a starting point. Browse options that reflect the tone of your story or subject bold and dark for thrillers. Clean and minimal for nonfiction, bright and whimsical for children's books. Once you've picked one, customize it to make it yours. Swap colors, adjust spacing, and don't be afraid to delete elements you don't need, so the design feels unique and intentional. For visuals, use high-quality images. In Canva's library, search for professional photos or illustrations that fit your theme. If you already have branded art or author photos, upload them directly. For something truly original, try Canva's Magic Media. Type a clear prompt that describes the scene, mood, and style you want, and generate a few variations. Look for images with strong focal points and enough negative space so your title doesn't compete with the background. Now focus on typography and layout. Your title should be the star large, legible, and visible even at a glance. Use contrasting fonts and colors to create hierarchy. One strong display font for the title. A clean, simpler font for the subtitle or author name. Test light text on dark backgrounds and vice versa to see what pops. Keep alignment consistent and leave breathing room around edges so nothing feels cramped. Small spacing tweaks often make a big impact on clarity. To add depth, head to elements. Subtle textures, gradients, or geometric shapes can guide the eye and make your cover feel layered and polished. Try soft overlays to unify colors or a gradient to lead attention toward the title. Use transparency and careful layering to enhance, not clutter, your design. If something distracts from the title, dial it back. When you are happy with the layout, finalize and export. For print, choose PDF print for the best quality. This preserves crisp text and detail so your cover looks sharp on paper. If your cover is for digital use, you can export as PNG or JPG, but for physical printing, PDF print is the way to go. Take a final look. Make any small adjustments, and you are done. Thanks for watching.